Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review of reply.io. So let's get started. Now reply.io says it helps to supercharge your sales team with AI, generate leads via multi-channel conditional sequences with unlimited mailboxes, convert website traffic into booked meetings, or hire AI SDR agents to handle it all for you, all within reply.io. So it's really good, as you can see. You can sign up for free with your email, or sign up with Google, or sign up with Microsoft. You get unlimited mailboxes and warm-ups, no credit card required, and top email availability. So let's get started. Now, reply.io is a powerful sales engagement platform loaded for its robust multi-channel outreach capacities, allowing users to connect with prospects across email, LinkedIn, calls, and SMS within automated sequences. Its AI-powered features and detailed analytics are valuable for optimizing campaigns and saving time. Users often praise the responsiveness of their customer support. However, the platform's extensive features can lead to a steep learning curve for new users, and some have reported occasional software glitches or challenges with LinkedIn integration. Pricing can also be a consideration, particularly for smaller businesses, and some users have noted a lack of complete transparency in billing. Despite these points, reply.io remains a comprehensive tool that can significantly streamline and enhance sales outreach efforts for teams looking to scale their communication. So I hope you found this video helpful.